another episode of In the Shop with Dad. Today we're going to show you how to build this kitchen set.
So we're going to build a kitchen play set today for the kids. Should be fun, should be easy, and you can get the plans at giftsfromthefather.com. Alright, let's see what it says. Alright, so we're going to cut our 2x4 inner supports first. We're going to cut 3 of them, and then we are going to cut our plywood. So let's get started. Okay, so we got our 2x4s cut. I'm just going to rip them in half, rip them down to 1.5 inches to make the top and bottom pieces, and then we'll go ahead and put them together. Okay, so we ripped down our 2x4s to 1.5 by 1.5, and we're going to start assembling the inner support frames. We're going to go ahead and just glue them and nail them. You can screw them. You could just glue them and clamp them if you wanted. Nothing major. Make sure you're doing this on a flat surface. One. We're going to go ahead and build 2 more off camera. Okay, so we're just going to cut out the bottom feet pieces for the sides. I just plunge cut in with the circular saw. Get a jigsaw in here, and then I'll just cut up this way and this way with the circular saw, and that'll make our feet. And then I'm just going to rip the front piece out with the circular saw and follow it up with the jigsaw in the corners, and these will be our side pieces all done. Okay, I'll just follow it up the corners with the jigsaw. Okay, we're going to start the assembly. We're going to put the inner supports in first, nail them to the top and the bottom, and then we'll put the sides on. So we're going to nail the bottom on, nail through, and the tops we'll just put a couple screws to hold the top on, or we could pin nail from the top. Okay, we got the inner supports in. Now we're going to put the top on, and then we're going to mount the sides, and then we'll mount the front. Okay, got the top on. So we mounted this on the side to support the shelf, and then we just pin nailed here and underneath, and that should give us a pretty stable shelf for the kids to play. Now we can cut the rest out with the jigsaw bit. So we marked our center, and then we made a little jig, and we marked 4 inches and circled, made a circle. And now we're just making a hole for the jigsaw, and then we're going to cut out the hole for the washer. He's making a hole in the center. Okay, now put it on top of there. Find that hole. You found it?
I think so.
Alright. Alright, so you hold that like that. Go ahead, hold that there. So there's our inner one, and then we're going to mark our outer one. Okay, let me take it off. So that's going to go, that's going to be our cover. So we'll cut this out with the jigsaw and the scroll saw. Oven, shelf. Perfect. Good job, Ella.
Mounting the handles. I hope not backwards. Hang down upside down.
Mark it off where we want the hinge to start and finish.
What could it be? You're gonna say nothing? You have a washing machine.
Yeah.
Oh, you can put cookies in there.
Good job.
What do you think?
Okay, so we hey, back up. We put an edge of hot glue here, so none of the water will run down into the kitchen set, because this faucet actually works. We turn it on and it runs the water.
Hello, I got